Maioria sempre na função, na contenção, cuspindo fogo igual Charizard, fazendo papo de...
大こんにちは、キャベツのごきちきディズニーこえて
Sam Olchins.
Yep, and as always a good lad of mine. Check out what I got in the mail today. It is the Altair Kinetic art, by far the most rare Kinetic in my collection. This is made by Golden Island, and honestly I have no idea what to say. Like barely anyone has it, even Office Playground has created this, but the website has been closed for business, so without further ado, let's unbox this boy. God, the color is magnificent.
Yeah.
Would you want an Altair?
Oh, definitely.
Well, everyone wants rare Kinetics, so...
Yeah. Mostly Trilution.
Well, yeah, it's only available on an Italian website.
Yeah. But the original black
Yeah.
is really hard to find.
The previous Kinetic unboxing that I did with Garrett, or Sarah Mulligan's, whatever you want to say, is the Mini Jupiter 8.5 inch. Right now, here's the base. It requires a 9-volt battery, which I will pop that in right now. I've actually heard that Dronch has this Kinetic. Alright, now I have the battery plugged in. How often do you collect Kinetic toys, Gar?
I would say not that often now, but I'm still trying to get used to it.
Yeah. Get in there. Alright, now got it all set up. Now for the motion shot. That is magnificent.
Yeah.
Just the way how the rings move in motion. So satisfying to me. This will definitely go right next to my Mini Jupiter. Colors of hot pink. Oh my. The rings are going so fast due to the magnet. They actually do have an Altair prototype on Amazon, but most of my friends don't like prototypes. Right, Gar?
Yeah. I agree.
Garrett is also a Kinetic collector just like me. I have a bunch of friends, even on YouTube. Alright, so looks like that we are gonna end this unboxing for right now. And I will see you guys in the next unboxing. Peace.